Today I'll talk about mass and volumetric flow rate. First, what is flow rate? The rate at which material is transported through a process line. The types of flow rate. One is mass flow rate, another is volumetric flow rate. So mass flow rate means mass of material per unit time. So mass per time is mass flow rate. Volume of material per unit time. So volume per time is volumetric flow rate. Now mass flow rate we can write as a m dot. The mass of the fluid passing through a cross section per unit time measured in kg per second or gram per second, g per second. Volumetric flow rate, so that is v dot, or sometime we can write as a q, okay. The volume of the fluid passing through a cross sectional area per unit time. So it can be measured in meter cube per second or centimeter cube per second. Now, the relationship between mass and volumetric flow rate. So, what is density? Density is mass per unit volume of a fluid. So, mathematical expression rho is nothing but mass flow rate by volumetric flow rate. So, mass flow rate is nothing but rho into volumetric flow rate, or rho into Q. Q is also called volumetric flow rate. Now, alternative expression. So, mass flow rate is nothing but rho A and B. So rho is the density of the fluid, A is the cross-sectional area. Okay, suppose the fluid is flowing through a pipe, so cross-sectional area of the pipe, and B is the velocity through pipe, the velocity of the fluid. So that is V. V is the fluid velocity. So mass flow rate is rho A into V. So what is AV? AV is nothing but volumetric flow rate, or V dash or V dot. Now example, if the density of the fluid, so now numerical, if the density of fluid is rho, the cross-sectional area is A and the velocity is V, then the mass flow rate will be rho A into V. Now here is the problem, means some numerical problem. The mass flow rate of an hexane is rho is given 0.659 gram per centimeter cube, and pipe is, mass flow rate is given, so density of that hexane is given, and mass flow rate is 6.59 gram per second. What will be the volumetric flow rate of the hexane? So mass flow rate is given, density is given, so volumetric flow rate is mass flow rate by density. So if we do the calculation, so that will be 10 centimeter per second. So volumetric flow rate is 10 centimeter cube per second. Another example, the volumetric flow rate is given, that is 100 centimeter cube per minute, and density of CCl4, carbon tetrachloride, is given 1.595 gram per centimeter cube. What is the mass flow rate of the CCl4? So volumetric flow rate is given, density is given, so mass flow rate is rho into V dot, so that is rho is 1.595 gram per centimeter cube into volumetric flow rate is 100 centimeter cube per minute, so mass flow rate will be 159.5 gram per minute. Okay, so we can, now we know what is mass flow rate, what is volumetric flow rate, and what is the relationship. So that's it. Thank you.